You want to bring your gift in first? Make sure it has your name on it. Here's a card. This one says, Molly, happy Easter, love the Easter Bunny. You want to bring that inside?
I know that one.
Why don't you bring it inside?
Wow!
Oh, Lucy got an egg. Good job, Lucy. You want to bring that inside so it doesn't get wet? There you go. Okay. Lucy, you want your gift? Look. This is for you. Oh, you bring it inside? Oh my goodness. There you go. Okay, go find the eggs. Yay! Look at Molly, she's gonna get them. Keep going. There's some over here too, Lucy. There's something in it, don't worry. I like the Kit Kat on it. Mm-hmm. Put it in the purse, come on. Oh. Oh, that was nice of you. Lucy, here's some over here too. Look, a purple.
The Easter Bunny and one right here.
Oh, wow.
And right here.
Molly's like going to town. Good job. So don't open, well, open inside. Try to find all the eggs. No, not yet, Lucy.
No,
oh,
not yet. No,
I see one over here.
Not yet. There's coins in there.
You think so?
It's candy.
It is? Okay, put it back in. What about right here, Lucy? Lucy. All right. I think, did you guys get them all? Right, come over here so I can get a picture. Good video, Finny and Daddy.
Oh, just.
Happy Easter, Finn.
You laughing?